Now, and because of that, we've done that so successfully. Okay, we know that we have missed, or some of my special district, prospects, if you will, right, came to me and go, okay, Feast, that solution is nice. I mean, it's so big and it's overkill. A lot of things, a lot of times it's an overkill, and then at the same time, it could be very cost prohibiting, right? So they go, okay, Feast, can you guys, think about getting something out that's easy for us special district people to use. We were talking about, utility commissions, public services department, utilities, right? All those things. So we go, yeah, you know what? We actually have the ability to do that. So what we have done is to basically, sort of slim it down, if you will, and make the process very easy. Number one, all you have to do is to export, okay, from the ERP. Well, that you do it all the time. Export data to a GL software. So most likely you will export it into some kind of a spreadsheet, or we have or CaseWare actually, depending on the ERP system or the finance system, we might have an import filter for you. But most likely what we usually do right now is to have it in some sort of an Excel document to hold the data at that very moment. Now once you exported that data, will you be able to use our import wizard within CaseWare, okay, to import, for example, Excel data, then you'll be able to kind of, fix up, the data that you make it clean, make it nice, fix it up a little bit. And on import, it goes into the working trial balance. Now, the software comes with a full feature trial balance component, okay? So all your data can be in there. And we have also created, different categories for you. So all the different, how you would group your line items, your groupings, how your different departments, your funds, all that stuff. Okay, we'll be able to group everything together. And we also provide you with a mapping tool, as we call it, so that you will be able to drag and drop and organize accounts right away. That's the hardest part, right? To be able to link, accounts to the appropriate areas. That's a big thing, obviously, right? And we basically make use of, what we have very, with our customers. They really, really like this because this is a drag and drop interface. You can very quickly drag and drop the appropriate categories, the appropriate accounts into the appropriate categories. And once that's done, the data flow is automated. So meaning when you import, the data knows where to go. Once that's done, right? And because we already have provided you with a template, with a very simple to use reporting template, data automatically flows to, and then complete set of financials will be generated. We'll give you the tools so that we have a library, notes library actually we call it, so you can insert industry standard notes. You'll be able to generate the entire full cover from cover to cover in one dynamic document. And that's tremendous, okay? Because a lot of folks go, wow, really? Is it really that easy? No, we'll obviously take a look at that, and you can be the judge, okay? But it will tell you that it's a way, way more efficient process compared to what you're doing right now. Best part of it, people go look at, oh, you're right, you got to implement this, right? So how much it's going to cost me? You know what? You don't need it. You don't need to. Because what we've done is we make this self-implementable. So you would basically, you have a standardized template. You just drag and drop, and it's done. Again, we'll show you, like I said. So just to recap some of the key features. File creation from template. Okay, so it's a standardized format. All you do is a template. You do have a template already ready to go. You just have to get the data in there, and that's how easy it is. Like I said, central database, remember? Generate financials as little as a day. Okay, maybe 2 days, right? But it's still significantly quicker, way quicker than how you're doing it right now, I'm sure, if you're using Excel, right? And it gives you the ability to drill down, to get to know your numbers in no time. You can quickly map, like I said, with our mapping tool, right? Very quickly, you'll be able to. And then we have the notes library, like I said. Insert industry disclosures very, very easily. And in the future, or maybe the department or the organization or agency that you're working with may belong to in the future, right? A city or county that's using, okay, our financial packages here, right? You will be able to consolidate everything up and roll everything up to the parent organization, if that would make it easy to understand, because we have a very, very powerful consolidation engine. Okay, and all that can be done with this particular product.